Now we're looking at another example of solving a system of equations by elimination. The difference between this example and previous examples that we've looked at is that with this we're going to need to multiply both equations by some value in order to eliminate a variable. And again, there are reasons why I would choose a certain variable over another, but you could choose to eliminate either variable. I'm going to choose to eliminate y first. The reason for that is because the coefficient on y in the first equation is negative, and the one in the second is positive, and therefore all we have to do is, after we multiply, to get them in the same coefficient, they will already be opposite signs. So we don't need to multiply by any negative numbers other than the ones that already exist. So what we want to do is we want to look at what would eliminate negative 4 and 3. So what's the common multiple? The least common multiple of 4 and 3, it would be 12. So we'd multiply this first equation by 3, and we multiply the second equation by 4. Now we rewrite the system of equations after multiplying. So 3 times 3x is 9x minus 12y equals 9 times 3 is negative 27. Distribute the 4, we get 20x plus 12y equals 14 times 4 is going to be 56. Now we add the two equations. 20x plus 9x is 29x. Negative 12y plus 12y is 0. And that equals 56 minus 27, or negative 27 plus 56, which is going to give us 29. Divide both sides by 29. And we get x equals 1. And again, this would have worked had you eliminated the x variable and or had you eliminated the x variable by multiplying the first equation by negative 5, the second equation by 3, and then adding the equations as well. The difference is that you would be eliminating x instead of y. So now we substitute x equals 1 and solve for y. You can use either equation as usual. I'm going to use both. So we'll substitute x equals 1. So in our first equation, 3 times 1 minus 4y equals negative 9. 3 minus 4y equals negative 9. We subtract both sides, 3 from both sides, we get negative 4y equals negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 4, and we get y equals 3. So let's put that into our second equation. X equals 1. 5 times 1 plus 3y equals 14. 5 plus 3y equals 14. Subtract 5 from both sides. 3y equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. Y equals 3. So the solution is 1, 3. The point 1, 3. Now let's check our solution by plugging it into both equations. So 1, 3. 3 times 1 minus 4 times 3. We want to know, does that equal negative 9? So 3 minus 12, does that equal negative 9? Negative 9 equals negative 9. So that checks there. Now we'll substitute in our second equation. 5 times 1 plus 3 times 3, we want to know, does that equal 14? 5 plus 9, does that equal 14? And it does indeed equal 14. So 14 equals 14. And our solution checks. So the solution to the system of equations 3x minus 4y equals -9 and 5x plus 3y equals 14 is the point 1, 3.